We've been with Company Wrench 7 or 8 years now. The way I found out about them is a gentleman came by for about 2 or 3 years. I was a salesman trying to get in the door. He never made it in the parking lot, out of the parking lot, never made it in the door, not even inside the fence. Then Danny, being very persistent, showed up one day when we were unsatisfied with the maintenance and service we were receiving on our other equipment. Brought him in, sat him down. They gave us the framework of their contract, total repair and maintenance, and it has been a great relationship for us. What we do in-house, is daily oil check, daily greasing, the consumables, hydraulic oil, diesel, DEF fluid. Other than that, the total repair and maintenance covers everything from the counterweight to the end of the boom, except for operator error. And it has been phenomenal. I don't necessarily want to call it TMR or total repair and maintenance. It is what I call fixed operating cost. I have a set amount that I'm paying every month that I know no matter what, that machine will be up and running in a reasonable amount of time. Company Wrench has been stellar. Every relationship has a few rocky, bumpy roads in it. We've had one or two, but overall, Company Wrench always stands behind the products that they sell and their technicians, and what they say is what they do.